The British pound may fall this week due to an important news release, which we will discuss in just a minute. I will show you how you can make a quick profit on it, and maybe even double your deposit. I will show it all on the MetaTrader platform, right on the chart. We will also discuss my reversal points, where the price reverses. You can profitably enter a trade and make money on other currency pairs. We will also discuss which currency pair is the best to trade with my trading robot Fly Dynamic. My name is Roman Kornev. You are on the channel about professional trading. So let's begin. Let's start analyzing the British pound to American dollar currency pair. And first question I have is whether this currency pair will continue to move in an uptrend, or whether it will continue the correction, which is currently underway. As you can see, a double top reversal pattern is forming now. Therefore, it is more likely that this double top will be triggered and the price will go further down. Moreover, the news that is coming this week will put even more pressure on the British pound. What kind of news is this? Is it worth following it so closely? Let's take a look at the economic calendar. Look, there will be news on Thursday, May 8th, the UK Central Bank interest rate decision. And the current rate is 4.50 and the forecast is 4.25. That's an interest rate cut. Do you think an interest rate cut is good news or bad news for Britain's economy? On the surface, the answer is that if the rate goes down, and at that rate the central bank is lending to commercial banks and commercial banks are lending to people and industry and business, then it's sort of good news. But if you've watched my basic beginner's course on trading, you'll know that in fundamental analysis, there's a point that at the moment of the news release, it is precisely the interest rate reduction that can have a negative impact on the British currency. Accordingly, at the moment of the news release, the British pound can fall by 50, by 100, by 200, by 300 points. Literally in a few not even minutes, but seconds. And so if you open a deal before the news is released, the news is confirmed, then with a high probability the British pound will fall. You can make a quick profit. You can even double your deposit if you calculate the volume correctly. With each traded lot, you can earn $1. If you open one lot, respectively, $1 from one point of movement. And if you have a movement of 300 points, respectively, you can earn $300 for a few seconds only from one lot. And if you trade a large volume, respectively, you can earn more. For this purpose, you can use the broker's leverage. Every broker I work with has such an opportunity. So open an account, try it first on a demo account. It's free, without losing your own money, without risk. As soon as you feel confident, you will be able to trade on a real account. Open an account, download the MetaTrader platform for free and experiment, try. And then if you feel confident, you will trade with real money. It is very simple. This news is just an opportunity. If you are thinking about whether to start trading or not, it is just a good opportunity to experiment, to see how it happens. I always cover such important news in my Telegram channel, so please subscribe to my Telegram channel using the link in the description. There are already about 2,000 subscribers there, and 30 minutes before the news release, I publish my opinion, my forecast on important news. There are a lot of them in a week. There are 3, 4, 5 news with such strong movements. So to not miss out, subscribe to my Telegram channel. Well, now let's take a look at the chart of the British pound. What are the reversal points where you can make money besides the news? So let's take another look at the British pound chart. We still expect the British pound to decline because there will still be pressure on the interest rate cut in the week, and most likely the price will go down. It is possible to capitalize on the decline, but I want to draw your attention not to relax, because there are reversal points from which the price can go up the British pound. So let's see where. Look, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit on the chart. We can see two lines. The first upper line, I've marked the support line of this double top reversal pattern. The line below is the reversal line, the support line. It is already a mirror support line from which once, look, the price rebounded here in this place. And so it can bounce back again. Let's take a closer look at this line down here. So as soon as the price reaches this line, this is the quote 1.32016, the price can turn and go up from here. So you can buy here and capitalize on the upside. Such short-term growths, that is, it is not a long-term growth, it is just the price rebounding. It is usually a short-term growth. This is where you can trade with scalping strategy. I'm trading the intraday scalping strategy. I really like such sharp, fast movements to make a quick profit, then get out of the deal and sleep well. That's why I give such reversal points in my VIP channel. I have a separate channel. There are such charts with arrows show where to enter, where to exit the transaction entry, transaction, take profit, and if you need such reviews, you want to save time on your own analysis, subscribe to my web channel link in the description of this video. Go to tell me how not to connect. So On the British pound, we can do something else. We can also note this rising resistance line. It's also quite promising. If the price goes further up, then here we also catch, and here we can sell and make money on the decline from this resistance line. By and large, we don't care where the price will go. The main thing is that when it reaches the reversal point, you could buy or sell and make a quick profit on it. So, in order not to miss such reversal points, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm also featured on Rutoba on Zen. So if you're watching on other platforms, subscribe as well. For 4 years now, I've been doing every Sunday episodes with my analysis, with my reversal points. It's completely free for you. Please subscribe and take advantage of it. Now let's take a look at the most popular currency pair. That's the euro dollar. And what I see right away is that on this currency pair, it is best to run my trading robot Fly Dynamic in buy and sell mode at the same time. Look, now the price is moving in a channel like this. Yes, it is, let's say, a reversal trend, as if the price will go further down. Nevertheless, the price is correcting very well, and this is the most important thing for a robot. Therefore, you can make good money on it. If you need ready-made sets, you can get them along with the consultation. I have an assistant who helps to customize, start the robot. Please contact me. We will help you. If you are going to trade with a robot, I told you to run it in buy and sell mode. Try to run in the strategy tester first. I do not give you a ready-made dough button. I give you a tool that you can check, customize, test. By the way, if you are not using the robot yet, you can get it for free. Write me on the link in the description. I will tell you how to do. As for manual trading, as I have already said in previous issues, look, I expect the price to go down to the mirror support line. Here, look, there was a reversal here, and now the price is approaching this line again. It's probably going to reach it. Quote 111, 437. As soon as it reaches here, you can buy here and make money on short-term growth. That's the picture for the euro, the dollar. And now let's look at gold. Gold is in a correction. That's normal. I even think that it can continue to grow, but for now, it will hang around in this correction. And look, in the near future, it may reach the mirror support line at $3,168 per troy ounce. And from there, you could also buy and capitalize on the upside. If right now the price goes up, let's see, there is a mirror line here twice already. The resistance will be there. So from here, you can also sell and make money on the decline. Gold, because it is in a correction, it will lend itself well to technical analysis. When it grows too fast, dynamically, it breaks through all support and resistance line. It is very difficult to trade them. That's why I used to give little analytics on gold, because I didn't like unpredictability very much. But now it has become more predictable in the correction, so we can trade. Watch my releases. I will give them. Also on my Telegram channel, I post my recommendations, which, by the way, work very well. Thank you all for the thanks that you write to me in the comments in the chat. Someone is not yet subscribed to our chat. Be sure to subscribe. Traders Chat, we are actively discussing all this there. And lastly, let's take a look at the Australian dollar-dollar currency pair. What attracted me to it? It has a wide sideways trend. You can run my robot on it too, but now it seems as if the price has gone beyond the edge of this sideways trend. But who knows? Sometimes it breaks through like this, and then it comes back. I think it could go back up. I'll even look at the support line right here, look. This support line could also be used to enter the trade. If the price comes back to this line, you could buy from here and capitalize on the upside. So put an alert so you don't miss this trade. You can put an alert here, and as soon as the price comes to this level, the alert will ring. And you will not miss an important trade. By analogy with these reversal points, which I give for free, you can analyze other charts on your own and accordingly learn for free. But if you want to save time and start trading professionally right away, come to me for professional training. On the link in the description, you can go to the site, see the program, download it for free, read it and make an informed decision. You can also write to me. We will discuss prospects of your trading. I wish everyone a successful trading week. Be sure to note the important news. There will be more news this week. Do not forget to subscribe to the Telegram channel. By the way, don't forget that there is a cool application for payment in Russia by QR code directly from the Telegram application with crypto at the cash register in stores, cafes, restaurants. That is, if you enter money from the broker, made a profit, withdrew it to your cryptocurrency wallet and paid in the store directly by QR code without exchanging for rubles on different 2P exchanges and so on, and in exchangers without wasting time on it. You can pay directly. It's very convenient. Who is interested, go to the link in the description. There will be a link. Pay with crypto in the Russian Federation. Go over, register. It's right in Telegram. Very convenient. You don't have to install anything. Everything very convenient. Use it I've been using it for months. I'm having fun. I wish you all a successful trading week. Subscribe to the channel. Comment if it was useful. I wish you all a profitable trading week. Bye bye.